Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Ow, my foot! Jesus! Today it's bonfire night, and Harry's got a double sprinkler thing. Yeah, where's Doggy? He's watching Jester, stupid. We played Nerve Channel at 3 AM, and it was a huge mistake. Therefore, seriously, mate!
When it's finished, just put it down into the mop bucket. Sparkle finished.
Go right. I don't think that tastes a lot. Look, can you see it? Double sparkler. One's got. There's a beautiful doggy, Leo. 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 Leo.
I'll put the curry on then, yeah?
Leo, hello. Hello.
Do I need to put the whole carrot in there?
Leo. Leo. He's got hide a button. Yeah. Yeah, it's bonfire night. Look at his hair. Please. Alright. I just want one like on this video. Just one. It's simple. Just one like. I hate Jester, he's so stupid. Like seriously, I hate Jester. I've just been quarantined, so that's why I call him a kid. I'll show you the video.